In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll have your Yahoo experience displaying in the language you prefer, and you'll know exactly where to find the setting again if you ever want to switch it back. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. Look to the top right of the page and choose the sign-in option. Enter your account details and complete any verification prompts if they appear. If you're using a shared computer, it's a good idea to avoid saving your login and to sign out when you're done. Once you're signed in, you'll be returned to Yahoo's homepage, now personalized for your account. Next, move to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it might show a photo, your initials, or a simple avatar. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account. This opens your account management dashboard, which is where Yahoo keeps your personal settings, security preferences, and general account information. On the account page, locate and select Personal Settings. This section controls details like your display name, basic preferences, and how Yahoo presents content to you. After that page loads, scroll down to find Preferences. The layout can shift slightly over time, so if you don't see it immediately, keep scrolling. It's usually placed below the core account info. Within Preferences, look for Language Preferences and click it. This is the control center for how Yahoo displays menus, buttons, dates, and certain content labels across its products, including Yahoo Mail. You'll see a list of available languages, often paired with a region to tailor formatting, like date and number styles. Choose the language that best matches what you want to see in Yahoo Mail. If you frequently work in multiple languages, pick the one you want as your default. You can always return here and change it again later. After you've made your selection, click Done to save the change. Yahoo will apply the new language to your account. In most cases, you'll notice the interface update quickly. If Yahoo Mail is already open in another tab, refresh that tab to see the new language reflected in your inbox, folders, and settings. If anything looks off, confirm you changed the language on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Also note that some languages adjust reading direction and layout, which is expected and helps improve readability. That's it. You've updated your Yahoo Mail language through your account settings, and you can revisit the same path anytime you want to switch it again.